Lubby drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the dot.
Hey y'all, what's up, Bossy Gang? I'm so glad that you guys are back for another Entrepreneur Life episode. So I just want to come on here because I wanted, you know, I was in the process of making body butters, and I'm actually on my last one, which is Fruity Loops. So I said, you know what, why not show you guys a little behind the scenes action? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take you guys behind the scenes with your girl, just to let you guys see how I make my Fruity Loops body butter. For those of you that do not know how to make body butter, I will be doing a step-by-step showing you guys how to do it. Now I'm not gonna put my measurements because honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I know y'all probably like, why, you know, but honestly, I'm gonna tell you why. It's because I work really hard to get my recipe and my measurements and my formula together. Like, y'all have no idea how many fuck ups I went through to get to this point, to have the perfect consistency for my body butters that's perfect for my customers and for my business. I honestly feel like, as a business owner, like if you are a business owner and you have your own business, I honestly just feel like, you know, it pays to do your research and to find the consistency that's best for you. And that's just reason why I'm not giving out my complete recipe, because I just feel like, you know, everyone everybody's business is different, and everybody has products that distinguishes their business away from others. So if you're giving away your recipes and giving away everything that you're doing, it makes it easy for other people to copy what you're doing. It makes it easy for other people to just mimic your business, have the same products as your business, just literally be your business. And I work too hard for Mona B Kollectionz, so I'm sorry, y'all. You know, I don't want y'all to take it personal. I just can't give out my recipes, but I definitely will show you guys the products that I do use and the process that I go through to make the body butters. My launch date will be March 18th, if you guys did not know. So I'm like super fucking excited. Like, y'all have no idea how excited I am for this launch. I just know that, you know, all of the products that I have coming, it's amazing. I am gonna have a lot more of behind the scenes coming after this one, leading up until March 18th. So just make sure that you guys stay in tune, you know what I'm saying, so you guys can see what's going on, what products I have coming, all of that good stuff. But enough talking. If you guys are interested in seeing the behind the scenes of Mona B Kollectionz, make sure you guys stay tuned.
Asses on the passion, nigga. Asses on the passion, nigga.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard my deep stroke, she said, babe, does it hurt when I deep though? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust and she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my freak though. Goddamn, spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes ma'am, she a little freak on cam, but she don't put this on the ground. Little boys try to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fan. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This where my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved and it's very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing a section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can't be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get a pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rap getting too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to meet them motherfuckers though. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Shooters follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the bounties, God, the period. Oh, he ain't know. I fuck with shots and no gun of us. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't type her up. They my last, I know I got up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. They can hit after he call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof off the collar, the for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my problems, we stacking up wallow and gualo and try get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. No PF, look like the new BMW. Think I'm dumb, got toes in my right or left. Say you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put lost in they pocket, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep it spell. On the strap because I'm warring. Check the trunks, I'm counting more fake. Scott Swellers, Louis, and a present. 150 flying, Richard Mello. But they damage to his empty because I spit the flavor to the temp. I am not a killer, but I'm tempted. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you